All right, we're back, and this is very dark. Come on, get a little lighter. There we go. It seems weird the closer I put the camera, the darker it gets. All right, how you guys doing? Hope everyone's good. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared. Fourth grade, Module 4, Lesson 19. Hey, like I said in the last video that not a lot of people might see, especially in my class, because it's Lesson 18, and we're not doing that for homework in my class. Thank you to everyone who's hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. The numbers are growing, which is getting my class closer and closer towards their first reward when we hit 250. All right, let's get into today's work. Add or subtract, write the sum or the difference. Remember, the sum means we're adding. The difference means we're subtracting. All right, tens and tenths. So 4 plus 4 is what? Yep, 8 tenths. Oh, here, thirds and thirds. We have 6 minus 5. What's 6 minus 5? You got it. 1. Sorry, I'm going to write 1/3, not thirds, because there's only one of them. There's not more than one. It's the teacher in me. That bothers me. Add or subtract, write the sum or the difference. I'll help you on this. The bottom's the same. The bottom's the same. You guys add the top. Now we're down here to our number line. Add or subtract, write the sum or difference in fraction form. Use the number line to represent the addition or subtraction. So here's what they want. You have 2 6 plus 3 6. So we need 6 spots. So let's go right here and call that half. What's half of 6? 3 6. Very good. So now we need to have 3 spaces in here. So there's 1 space, right? I'm sorry, 2 spaces, 1, 2, 3 spaces. So let's do over here. We got 3 spaces. On this side, we need there's 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, and 1 is the same as 6 6. So it wants us to start at 2 6. So start right there. And it wants us to jump 3 more 6. 1, 2, 3. So we end up here. So what is 2 6 plus 3 6? That would give us 5 6. I like using this line, even though I don't think they want us to. It just looks neater to me. 5 6 is our answer. Okay. Do the same thing down here for this one. You're going to have 6 8 minus 4 8. Show on the. Just go ahead and show on this. Takes a second longer, but that's fine. You have the time. You can do this. Get this done. All right. Let's look on the back at page 118. Complete the equation to show an equivalent fraction. You may draw an area amount to help you. You may draw. You don't have to. So we're going from 8 tenths equals 4 what? You need to remember when we're finding a common denominator on the bottom, we have to multiply the top and the bottom by the same thing. It's only a hint I'm going to give you. When you're finding a common denominator, you have to multiply the top and the bottom of each side by the same thing. So how would we get? How did 4 turn into 8? What would 10 turn back into? I'm going to give you a hint. What would 10 turn back into? There's your hint. It's the only one you get. No more hints on that. All right, guys. I hope this is helping. I've had some people make some comments, and I do really appreciate that. You guys let me know that this is helping. Parents, I hope this is helping you. I know a lot of students are looking at it, but I'm getting some parents responding. I really appreciate that because parents, I know it's hard. I know it's new math. I know it's a different way, but I promise you it is a better way. And when I have a chance to show it compared to the way we learn math, I will always show you so you can see the new way and you can feel like I felt when I learned it, like we did not get the way we should have learned it. We should have learned a different way. All right, guys, that's it for this one. This was Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 19 on pages 117, 118. I'm Mr. Short, and you are off to have, hopefully, a good night.